Hey guys, we will discuss about honey and maple syrup, which is better for health. So let's start the video. Honey and maple syrup are two popular natural sweeteners, cherished for their rich flavors and versatility in the kitchen. They are often used in cooking and baking, adding a unique touch to a variety of dishes, from savory to sweet. Both have unique flavors and textures that can enhance the taste and appeal of your culinary creations. Honey is made by bees from flower nectar, a process that involves the collection, enzymatic activity, and evaporation. Maple syrup, on the other hand, comes from the sap of maple trees, which is collected and then boiled down to create the syrup. These sweeteners are sometimes seen as healthier alternatives to processed sugar because they contain more nutrients than white sugar, including minerals and antioxidants. People often debate which is better for health, as each has its own benefits and drawbacks. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties, while maple syrup is praised for its lower glycemic index. It is important to understand their nutritional profiles to help us make better choices. Honey contains vitamins like B6 and C, while maple syrup is rich in manganese and zinc. We should also consider how they affect our health, including their impact on blood sugar and any potential risks. Both can raise blood sugar levels, but maple syrup does so more slowly. In this essay, we will explore these aspects in detail, providing a comprehensive comparison to help you make informed decisions. We will compare honey and maple syrup, looking at their nutritional content, health benefits, and risks. This will include a detailed analysis of their vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds. Finally, we will conclude which is healthier overall, taking into account all the factors discussed, to provide a clear recommendation for your dietary needs. Honey and maple syrup have different nutritional profiles. Honey is mostly made of fructose and glucose, and it also contains trace amounts of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, calcium, and iron. On the other hand, maple syrup is mainly sucrose and has some vitamins and minerals such as riboflavin, zinc, and manganese. The exact content can vary based on the type and grade of the syrup. Both sweeteners have about the same number of calories. A tablespoon of honey has around 64 calories, while a tablespoon of maple syrup has about 52 calories. These numbers can vary slightly. It's important to consider these differences as they affect how each sweetener impacts our health. Knowing their nutritional content helps us make informed choices. Honey is known for its antioxidant properties. These natural compounds play a crucial role in maintaining our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants help protect our cells from damage and can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and cancer. They are essential for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Honey contains several types of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic acids. These compounds are known for their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Dark honey tends to have more antioxidants than light honey, and the type of flowers the bees visit affects this. The diversity of flowers contributes to the variety of antioxidants found in honey. For example, Manuka honey is very rich in antioxidants and is often used for medicinal purposes. Its unique properties make it a popular choice for treating wounds and infections. Studies have shown that honey can boost our immune system, helping to fight infections and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of honey can enhance our body's natural defenses. This makes it a popular choice for natural remedies. Many traditional medicines incorporate honey for its healing properties and its ability to soothe sore throats and coughs. Using honey as a sweetener can add these benefits to our diet. It is a healthier alternative to refined sugar, providing not only sweetness but also nutritional value. It is more than just a source of sugar. It can contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating honey into our daily routine can support a balanced diet and promote a healthier lifestyle. Maple syrup also contains antioxidants, but it has different types compared to honey. These include phenolic compounds like lignans and coumarins, which help fight oxidative stress. The darker the maple syrup, the more antioxidants it contains. Grade B syrup, which is darker, has more antioxidants than grade A. This can be important when choosing syrup for health benefits. Research shows that maple syrup can have anti-inflammatory properties and may help protect against certain diseases. However, more studies are needed to fully understand these benefits. Adding maple syrup to your diet can provide these antioxidants. Just like honey, it is more than just a sweetener. It offers additional health benefits. Section 5 Vitamin content in honey. Honey contains small amounts of vitamins. These include vitamin C, B vitamins, and some minerals. The exact content can vary based on the type of honey. Vitamin C is important for our immune system. B vitamins help with energy production. Minerals like calcium and iron are also essential. They support bone health and oxygen transport in the body. The vitamin content in honey is not very high. However, it can still contribute to our daily intake. Every bit of nutrition helps. Eating honey as part of a balanced diet can be beneficial. It is a natural source of these vitamins and minerals. Section 6 Vitamin content in maple syrup. Maple syrup also contains vitamins and minerals. It is particularly rich in riboflavin, or vitamin B2. Riboflavin is important for energy production and cell function. Maple syrup also contains manganese and zinc. Manganese supports bone health and metabolism. Zinc boosts the immune system and helps with wound healing. The vitamin and mineral content in maple syrup is higher than in honey. This makes it a more nutrient-dense sweetener. Including maple syrup in your diet can provide these benefits. It is a natural source of important nutrients. Section 7 Glycemic index and blood sugar. Understanding how different foods affect our blood sugar levels is crucial for maintaining good health. The glycemic index, or GI, measures how quickly foods raise blood sugar levels. It is a valuable tool for anyone looking to manage their diet more effectively. For example, honey has a GI of around 58, while maple syrup has a GI of about 54. These values indicate how these sweeteners impact your blood sugar. Both honey and maple syrup have lower GIs than white sugar, which has a GI of 65. This means they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels compared to white sugar. Foods with a lower GI are better for blood sugar control as they cause slower, more gradual increases in blood sugar. This can help prevent spikes and crashes that can affect energy levels and overall health. This is particularly important for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. Managing blood sugar levels is a key aspect of managing these conditions effectively. While honey and maple syrup both have lower GIs than sugar, they still need to be consumed in moderation. Overconsumption can still lead to health issues. Too much of any sweetener, regardless of its GI, can lead to health problems such as weight gain, increased risk of heart disease, and other metabolic issues. Choosing honey or maple syrup over sugar can be a healthier option as it helps manage blood sugar levels better. However, it's important to balance their intake with other healthy dietary choices to maintain overall well-being. Section 9 Expert opinions and scientific studies. Experts have studied the health effects of honey and maple syrup, and many agree that both are better than processed sugar. They contain more nutrients and have lower GIs. A study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that honey can improve blood lipid profiles, reducing cholesterol levels and triglycerides. Another study in the Journal of Medicinal Food highlighted the antioxidant properties of maple syrup, suggesting that these antioxidants could help reduce oxidative stress. Overall, scientific studies support the health benefits of both sweeteners, showing that they offer more than just a sweet taste. Section 10 Conclusion Which is healthier? In conclusion, both honey and maple syrup have their advantages. Honey is rich in antioxidants and contains some vitamins and minerals. It has a slightly higher GI but offers immune-boosting benefits. Maple syrup is also rich in antioxidants and contains more vitamins and minerals, especially riboflavin, manganese, and zinc. It has a lower GI and can help with blood sugar control. Both sweeteners should be consumed in moderation as they are healthier than processed sugar but still high in calories. Overall, maple syrup may have a slight edge due to its higher nutrient content. However, personal preference and specific health needs should guide your choice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.